Hello friends, check out this beautiful property. Look at that staircase in this beautiful home. We are in Bradford Creek, which is right off of Daniels, right by Target and the Fowler Complex in Winter Garden, Florida. We are here hosting an open house for you until 1 p.m. today on this beautiful Labor Day weekend with no rain and a little bit cooler temperatures. So come on out and join us here in Bradford Creek. I want to show you a little bit more about this property. So bear with me as I turn my camera around, or just walk with me. Look at this beautiful, beautiful flooring and open space in the foyer, highlighted by the staircase as soon as you walk in. This is your kitchen that you're gonna be enjoying your coffee in. Let me introduce you to our wonderful friend, Zach. He is with Motto Mortgage. Zach, say hi.
What's going on, everybody? How are you doing today?
We would love for you to come down because Zach has a way for you to say, you know what? I don't want to deal with these crazy interest rates, but you have an answer for that.
We do. We have a 2-1 buy down program where we can use some of the seller concessions to buy down your interest rate over a 2-year period. So it would save you interest throughout the loan, and if you refinance the loan, you get to keep those concessions in an escrow account that will go towards your refinance, so you never lose those funds. It's a fantastic opportunity for you guys here.
So, and let's break it down to the nitty gritty, because we're hearing about 7.75% interest rate right now.
Correct.
We're saying we're not gonna do that, right? You need an awesome realtor to negotiate this as a part of your deal, because if you have that awesome realtor, then it'll be what, Zach? Instead of 7.75, it is?
You'll be looking at 5.75.
And that sounds way more palatable for the first year of the loan. Then it goes up to 6.75. And then hopefully by then you're gonna be able to refi and never, ever, ever deal with 7.75% anyway.
You got it, yes ma'am.
All right, so come on down and join us. We're in Bradford Creek. We're right in the heart of Winter Garden on this beautiful Saturday. We're here until 1 p.m. Hope to see you soon.
Talk to you later.